Good morning, YouTube. Today we're going to do an oil change on the old Honda, and in order to do that we need to warm up a bit. So that's why we're having a little joyride right now. Alright, let's do this. It's a bit chilly today. Look right there, I filmed the wind turbine over there. It's gone now. It's gone now. They sold the parts to Poland and wherever. I put the video in the description. You can check it out. Alright, let's do this. Honda. Beautiful day. Beautiful day today. So yeah, with the oil change and the Honda, you're supposed to change the oil like every 3,000 kilometers. Well, I'm far overdue, but yeah, I just did my trip and I didn't want to do it during the trip, and yeah, since the Honda is also taking oil all the time, like I have to fill up all the time, like every couple of 100 kilometers, which is normal with an old engine. So I thought maybe I can just skip that a bit, and I think that should be alright. Almost 80 degrees. I think that should be okay. So time to head back.
Alright, first of all we take off the engine guard. It's easy, just 3 screws and then it's off. And then we can reach the screw for the oil. It's right above at the frame. So now we open that up, put the tray underneath, make sure to hold it up a bit. Yeah, there we go. Already made a bit of a mess. Yeah, once it stopped there, coming out, we go to the left side of the engine. On the bottom is another screw. We can open that up and let out the rest of the oil. You want to make sure your bike is standing up straight in order for the whole oil to come out. I didn't do that, and I will regret that later. So here's where we open up the lid for the oil filter. You want to change the oil filter as well every time you do an oil change. So, and because we didn't put up the bike straight, there's still oil left in that compartment there, and once we open it, it will all come out now and it will be a little bit of a mess. Yeah, there is it. I learned that now. So yeah, put the new oil filter in. There's a little spring to hold it in place. So make sure that you check the marks on how you put the lid back on. There's two marks on the engine and on the lid. We put that on right. Tighten it up. Now we put all the screws back on, and I always put new washers on because then we're sure it's sealed and they're cheap. This is where we fill up the new oil. 2 liters. I use the Motovlog oil. You can check online, whatever oil is good. I put in like 1.5 liters and then let the engine run for a bit and then put in the rest. So we make sure everything fits. You can check here the proper level of the oil with opening up the screw, and if stuff comes out, it was a bit too much. Alright, that's it.
So that was the oil change. I think it wasn't the cleanest and it wasn't the most professional oil change, but we did it, and now there's brand new oil and we're good to go for another while. Thanks for watching, thank you for subscribing, and see you next time. Woohoo! That was nice. I'm proud of us, Honda. We did it.